Is this thing on? All right, good. My name's Patrick Duff. I am an investigative journalist from the South Jersey area, and journalists in the South Jersey area are very rare, folks. I mean, if we look over there, every one of them's from North Jersey. We don't have anybody reporting in South Jersey. So a couple of years ago, I decided to take it upon myself. I created my own website, rabblerouser.com, or NewJerseyRabblerouser.com, and started hitting local municipalities to try to figure out who's dirty and who's not. And I got to be honest, I think I could just throw a dart and hit who's dirty, which is the purpose of Oprah, right? It's so we could take a look and see what's happening. And I want to give an example of what happened to me in my hometown when I went back to Delaware, New Jersey, and did a couple Oprahs. I'm sure people have heard about the Carly Lloyd party in Delaware, New Jersey. It was a party that literally every single politician attended. You had Tammy Murphy, Andy Kim. It was a well-attended event. It was a 2-hour event that the original Oprah request that I made to the township, they said cost $30,000, which I automatically thought that was a little bit much anyway. But turns out, through more Oprahs, doing more Oprah requests, the 2-hour party cost the taxpayers of Delran $100,000 for a 2-hour party to celebrate the retirement of Carly Lloyd. Now, that party had a video taken of the actual party. They spent another $5 grand on video services to take video of the party. Now, after I found out the costs, well, I figured I want to see how well attended this party is, right? So I did a request for the video. I just wanted the video of a publicly attended party. Now, you had mentioned that there's requests that are kind of heinous, that are disgusting requests. I've never seen one. I'd like you to point out the examples of those requests, because the town of Delran, from me asking for the video of the publicly attended Carly Lloyd party, claimed that I was basically trying to get these images of children, to produce these images of children, and literally cited case law in their reasoning of Megan's Law. Like I was some sort of a child molester because I'm looking for the Carly Lloyd video. So I think there has been some people that make up some things to try to make it look like requesters are doing one or two things, and when they're actually just looking for information. And what's really interesting about that is that I had to sue the township. Now, I told the township at council meetings, hey, I'm going to sue you, you're going to lose. I told them in emails, I'm going to sue you, you're going to lose. And what I want to point out here, it's not the clerk that does it. It's these solicitors, these high-paid, double-dipping solicitors that are sitting there telling people that they can't get records. That's usually because the solicitor themselves gave bad legal advice to the council or the mayor. And it's the solicitor themselves that's covering up their own illegal crimes by not giving this information. Now, I say that because guess who quit Delran is the solicitor after I uncovered all this information, uncovered that they did insurance fraud by paying out a landscaper that they were trying to remove from his property, illegally remove him from his property. They paid him $300,000 that I found through Oprah requests that the citizens had no idea about. They didn't go to the JIF. They didn't go to the insurance company and say, hey, insurance company, we need to pay this guy because we wronged him. They took $300 grand out of the budget. And by the way, Rabble Rouser Rising is my book. This book would not be able to be produced without Oprah. Okay, so this is a commercial enterprise from Oprah, but it's because bad government exists so regularly that, like I said, I could throw a dart and hit it. And I have to say the last part of this is that fee shifting, I'm 11-0 with CJ as my lawyer. I'm 3-0 alone, pro se. Those three, CJ said to me, listen, I don't feel comfortable taking them because they might not work, so I threw my own hat in the ring and I beat the government myself. So these lawyers that take these Oprah cases, they're not taking cases that are frivolous because, like they said, they wouldn't get paid. So the whole fee shifting thing in here, if you're going to shift the fee should be shifted to the solicitor that makes a bad decision, the billing, I should say, not to the clerk or to the citizens. Why don't you do it to the solicitors that are making these bad decisions on behalf of the townships?
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your testimony. When you're done, sir, you can just step aside. We appreciate it. Just hit the red button. Hit the red button?
I got a copy for you.
Thank you. I'm going to grab a copy, David. Is it free?
For you, yes, sir.
I don't like to move down.
If you vote no, sir.
Chairman Sarlo,